William Keever here. Just another day back here at the Parkway Lake. Beautiful place, as you could tell. I'm back here catching bass with the pink fluke. Thank you, sponsor Buzz. Smash that like button, subscribe. First bass of the evening, almost 7 o'clock p.m. We'll be here till about 9. Hopefully we get some bigger ones before we get out of here, but there it is. Pink fluke right in the mouth, right in the back of this beautiful fishery back here. This place is awesome. I'm blessed. Tight lines, my friends. William Keever, New Jersey Bassmaster.